guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to transform these old box braids into faux locks. Faux locks is a really trendy style and be expensive and time consuming. So I found an easy way. Why not? I mean, we're stuck in quarantine. It's not like we can go just walk into the hair salon and get our hair done. And I needed a new hairstyle to spice up my life because honestly, this thing was hanging on for its life, literally. But it finally gave in. So if you're like me and you need a new hairstyle for under $30, then stick around and watch me transform my life from this trap to fab for just under $30. So the products I'll be using today are these Marley braids, and I'll be using 5 packs. I got them in the color 27, 33, and 1B. You'll also need a nail glue just to seal the ends, and because these are Kanekalon braids and I'm going for a goddess locks look, I'm going to use the take homes to unravel the ends. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I love to have you guys here. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Also, you can leave a comment down below and let me know how I did, or if you have nothing to say, just say hi. I'd love to get to know each and every one of you. Without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm going to be separating the hair. It's really simple. They come in sections like these. So what I'm going to be doing now is just use one of the sections to wrap around the hair. You want to wrap this as tight as possible to the top to get a flawless look. Make it look like it's growing from the root. I won't be wrapping it to the end. As I said before, I want to achieve a goddess locks look, so I'm wrapping it just about here because I'm going to unravel this just to achieve the goddess locks look. So you're going to take your nail glue, you're going to just dab some at the end, just a little bit, and you can press it in, or you just rub it in, and it's sealed. Take this out just to show you what I mean. I might leave it until I finish wrapping everything and just leave this. And if you see me looking over the room, I'm just looking at my 2-year-old. I'm going to be hot watering it at the end to achieve the look. Well, that's pretty much it. Really flexible and lightweight.
Mom panty. Mommy, fixing mom panty.
What's wrong with your panty, Mama?
Fixing mom panty.
What's wrong with it?
You fixing mom panty.
Tiana, ain't nothing wrong with your panties.
Mommy,
Yes, baby?
Hush.
What you want?
Mom.
What you want, Tiana?
Mom.
Just eat your candy.
I want to. Okay, I want to.
Can you open by the door, please? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come give Mommy a kiss. Say hi.
Hi. This is Jenna. This is Mommy.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish a couple.
I want bird. I want
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple and come back.
Mommy.
Okay guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, I'm almost finished. I'm just gonna demonstrate these three. As I said before, what I'm gonna do is I use approximately three to four pieces for each. Now what I'm gonna do is I try to use the base end. And I just start overlapping from the root. Trust me guys, once you get the hang of it, 1, 2, 3. Now to attach it, just grab another one and just continue the process. I'm just going to take a nail glue and put it at the end. Just something like that. Okay. So I'm going to use my tail comb to get the ends out. Okay guys, this is not the finished product.
I want to go to school.
You want to go to school?
Yes, I want to go to bed.
Baby, you're only 2 years old. You can't go to school.
Mommy, I want to go to bed.
Okay, when I'm finished. Alright?
I want to soup bus.
Okay.
I want to do my back. I want to have in my shoes.
You want to put on your backpack and your shoes?
Yes.
You don't go to school?
I want to do have in my teddy bear.
So you want to bring your teddy bear to school?
Yes, I want to give my teddy bear.
You don't go to school?
Give me my teddy bear. Give me my baby. Mommy, don't want a teddy bear. Give me my baby.
Okay, Mama. Can you?
No, baby, want to stop.
Okay.
Mommy, finger seven.
Alright, cool it. Can you stop, please?
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay guys, so I am back with my hot water, and you're gonna need a towel or washcloth for this process. And if you are as clumsy as I am, definitely gonna need one. So what I'm doing now is I'm just dipping the ends in the hot water. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead. Guys, please don't judge me. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to be using my daughter's edge controller. It's just for me by Soft and Beautiful, and I'm gonna see how it works for me, just to touch on my edges. If not, then I'll go with the Eco Gel. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Thank you.